Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have our chief guest addressing the gathering. Serves as the Honorable Deputy Minister of Ports and Civil Aviation, contributing his expertise and leadership to the advancement of Sri Lanka's port and aviation sectors. Possesses a distinguished academic background, having obtained the National Diploma in Engineering Sciences from the Institute of Engineering Technology, the Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical Power from the University of Sunderland in the UK, and the Master of Business Administration from Cardiff Metropolitan University in the UK. Before assuming the public office, he held the position of Managing Director at the Pinnacle Projects Private Limited, where he demonstrated the exceptional proficiency in project management and infrastructure development. His extensive professional experience and academic foundation have been instrumental in shaping his contributions to national development and public service. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Honorable Deputy Minister of Ports and Civil Aviation, Engineer Janitha.R.Kodithuwakku, to address the gathering.
Thank you, Dushan. Good morning to you. Mr. Lilantha Subasinghe, President of ISMM, Council Member of Management, members of the head table, distinguished invitees and members of ISMM. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to extend my warm greetings to the Institute of Supply and Material Management on the occasion of National Supply Chain Day 2025. I consider it is a true privilege to join as a chief guest at this important national event, which organizes a vital role as supply chain management plays in driving Sri Lanka's economic progress and social development. As a nation, we depend considerably on imports to fulfill many of our essential needs. At the same time, through multinational collaboration and the strength of our local industries, Sri Lanka now manufactures a range of products domestically. Whether a product is a local produced or imported, an effective, well-coordinated supply chain plays a vital role in ensuring that goods and services reach consumers effectively. Supply chain management directly influences the lives of all our citizens, whether poor, middle income, or affluent, as every individual depends on timely access, necessities, and comfort. Stability in supply and demand create satisfaction and the confidence across the society, which are essential for our economic growth. When we talk about the movement of supply and goods from one destination to another, logistics plays a vital role. In this process, the coordination between ports and airports become absolutely essential. They are gateway to the trade flows connecting producers, suppliers, and consumers across the globe. Supply chain management cannot function efficiently without the seamless operation of logistic hub. Ports and airports ensure that moves on time, in the right condition, at the lowest possible cost. They, from the physical background of international trade, enabling countries to connect market, strengthen competitiveness, and support our economic growth. As the key logistic hub in Asia, the Port of Colombo continues to play a significant operational role of supporting global supply chain. It is efficiently connectivity and capacity makes one of the top performing ports in the world, contributing immensely to Sri Lankan position, regional and international trade. Likewise, our airport facilitates the rapid movement of high value and the time-sensitive good, complementing of all maritime supply chain, enhancing the country's strategic importance of global logistics. As an educational institute, ISMM continues to play an important role in the national professional development. It is always better to have a workforce equipped with the subject knowledge relevant to their professions. The services rendered by ISMM to train professionals to meet industry expectations deserve high appreciation under the current government education reforms. Professional subjects will be introduced to the school curriculum, and it is encouraging that the proposal submitted to ISMM to include supply chain management has been accepted by the Ministry of Education. We look forward to its implementation under new education framework. As a country, we must think differently and move beyond the traditional approaches. Innovation, discussion, and collaboration at professional forums such as this are vital strengthening our economy. The government alone cannot take this nation to the next level. Every citizen has a duty and the responsibility to contribute without merely pointing fingers at others. I take this opportunity to thank and extend my best wishes to the President and the Council members and the management and ISSM for their contribution commitment to service to this nation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, our chief guest, Engineer.Janitha.R.Kodithuwakku, the Honorable Deputy Minister of Ports and Civil Aviation. And now it's time to present some tokens of appreciation to our chief guest, guest of honor, and keynote speaker. I would like to call upon Mr. Lilanth President of ISMM, and Mr. Ranila Vesekara, Vice President ISMM, Chair of the National Supply Chain Day and the 53rd Anniversary Celebrations Committee, and the Subcommittee Chair of Session Planning and Invite Coordination, to step forward, please. The first token of appreciation being presented to our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome one more time Honorable Deputy Minister of Ports and Civil Aviation, Engineer.Janitha.R.Kodithuwakku. Thank you very much, Honorable Engineer Janitha.R.Kodithuwakku. Next, we have the guest of honor also being presented with a token of appreciation to Mr. Nandana Ekanayaka, Chairman and the CEO of Siam City Cement Lanka Limited. And then to our keynote speaker, ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency David Pine, the New Zealand's High Commissioner to Sri Lanka and the Maldives.